We are at railway station right now and we have come to buy these stuffs for Padma. And kuch bolo bhai, how are you feeling right now?
Excited or thanda?
And it's his first time to Sikkim. And I am more excited than him. So hey guys, welcome back to my new video once again. And today I'm at Guwahati railway station heading towards Enchey right now. We are on a trip to Sikkim with my friends. So yeah, I'll introduce you with them. In Enchey and like we are searching for a friend Jyoti. She has been waiting for us for like 6 hours. And Madam ji यहाँ पे है. Vilas. So the plan for now is we'll go outside and have a lunch and then we'll head to Sikkim. Hey, what's up? Good. फिलहाल तो हाल फटी पड़ी है हम दोनों की. Like I am carrying Padma's bag and she's carrying mine and Avilas is carrying Jyoti's bag. Okay, we are about to have our we'll go out of the station and have something and we'll leave for Gangtok. Too exhausted, man. How about you? And we are about to leave for Sikkim and we have rented a vehicle, like a reserve vehicle. So, what's up, Kedas and Gedis?
So hungry.
So hungry. We'll have food on our way.
मालूम है
क्या है?
पूरा स्टेट का मीटिंग है इसलिए पूरा गाड़ी जाम है.
ऐसा बोलने से कैसा होगा?
नहीं, हम लोग को ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा बस.
आप पहले तो होटल ले जाइए.
नहीं, वो तो जाएंगे ही.
So first stop at City Journe and it's just a pee break and we are taking some photographs and behind me is Tista and here is Avilas, Padma and Jyoti.
Korea, sir? Shit. Okay. How do I change the side?
पार्टनर को तो उड़ा भाई.
भाई कुछ बोलिए आप.
हम क्या बोलूं, आप लोग नए आए, घूमते रहिए, पानी देखिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, ठीक है.
और आप बोलिए कुछ.
अच्छा लग रहा है. ब्यूटी देख के तो माइंड ब्लोन हो रहा है एकदम. पूरा सीन ही कुछ अलग है.
और आपके पीछे देखिए मेरे पीछे
हम लोग बंदर दोहरा रहे हैं.
बंदर दोहरा रहे हैं हम लोग और सीन्स कुछ ऐसे है इरफान भाई की तरह. So guys, it's the next day and we are at Enchey right now. We have come for a morning walk and we gotta buy some stuffs like paste and all. And I'm with Padma right now. And the other two fellas are sleeping.
They are sleepy heads. Ami furi ahilo. Ekita itala kuye ase.
It's 6:30. It's around 6:30 right now. And we are in search of Colgate.
हम लोग को मिल गया.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Seven.
कौन से क्लास में हो आप?
2.
हाय बोल दीजिए. 2, 3. हाय बोल दीजिए एक बार.
हाय. भैया का वीडियो देख.
What's up guys? Here we are at the food street. having our chai, and here's the view.
You're the melody in my head that I cannot forget. You're the only air I can breathe.
Hey guys, what's up? And good morning from Marithang. We are near MG Marg and we stayed here last night, Hotel Crown Plaza, and it's around 10:30 in the morning, and we are waiting for the girls. They're getting ready, and we are waiting for them since like 1 hour.
Yes.
और क्या बोलूं? Makeup things, just makeup things. अभिलाष, 2 शब्द ये 2 लड़कियों के लिए.
अरे भाई तब से रुका हुआ हो, आते ही नहीं है, थके हो यार.
2 घंटे होने वाले, हम लोग रुके हुए हैं अभी. जल्दी करो, क्या है? What is? Finally, इतने दिनों के बाद मेकअप कर करके
इतने दिनों के बाद
2 years later. तो फिलहाल के लिए हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं DHH. Padma has got some work. We'll finish it up and we'll hang around Gangtok for today, and we'll leave for Lachen
और
by
मस्ती
tomorrow.
करेंगे.
और मस्ती, लड़कियाँ पीछे, हम लोग आगे. So we are walking through DHH for Padma's work, and yeah, it's quite nearby, so we are walking. Yep, here's the spot. So the scene is we have reached DHH and we're gonna go inside and finish our work. I mean Padma's work. Here's the Padma gole, Padma norke. Padma. Hey Padma. Hello. What's up? Beautiful. गर्मी लग रहा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रहा है. मुझे गर्मी लग रहा है. That's interesting.
कल से कुछ और ही होने वाला है.
No, I got all my sweaters in my bag.
School then. क्या हो गया पद्मा?
बहुत दुख भरी कहानी है यार. हम आज किस तरीके करने आया था, लेकिन ये तो बंद निकला. फिर से 9 तारीख को जाना पड़ेगा.
तुम नहा के नहीं आए इसलिए बंद है.
ऐसा मत बोलो.
So guys, we have reached Enchey Monastery and we have hired a taxi which have cost us around $1,500, and yeah, and Padma and Jyoti, they went inside the monastery, and Abhilash is behind the camera, and yep. So for today we'll do the local sightseeing, and we'll move for Lachen by tomorrow, and here's my boy Abhilash. So कुछ बोलिए, कैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है आपका?
क्या पीसफुल है यार, मज़ा तो आ रहा है. और देखते हैं, पूरा दिन घूमना है, फुटेजेस लेना है. लेट्स सी.
What an artist, man. So we about to leave from Enchey Monastery, and I don't know what's the next destination, and we'll ask the driver. We'll let you guys know about it. One like for the artist, man. He has an amazing talent out there.
आप लोग कहाँ से है तो
So we are at Gangtok right now, and girls are trying out some traditional dresses, and we'll be going upstairs right now to click some photographs. And yeah, this video will be all about Gangtok sightseeing. The main episode will begin from tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning, what's up? So it's the next day, and actually what happened yesterday is the battery of the camera got over and I couldn't shoot anything. After that we went to like places like Monastery and ropeway, flower exhibition. So I couldn't shoot all that, so that is it for this episode. And the next episode we'll be going to Lachung and getting ready. Things are all messed up, and yeah.